Hello everyone, my name is Prathyusha. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in the College of BVRIT, Narsapur College. Here my course name is Cloud Computing and the topic is Cloud Computing Introduction. So before going to introduce about cloud computing, first I want to tell you what type of syllabus is available in our college. Let's see the syllabus. The first unit is completely related to virtualization process. First unit is related to virtualization. Why virtualization is first unit? Because before existing of cloud computing, virtualization process will be existed. Based upon this virtualization process, only cloud computing will be developed and deployed in nowadays. So if you understand the virtualization process, means it is easy to understand the cloud models. And in this first unit, we are having virtualization and what is the definition and objective, what type of virtualization techniques are available and what are the disadvantages and what type of advantages we are having and what type of technologies we are using to create the virtualization process, and everything will be discussed in first unit, that is introduction to virtualization. And coming to second unit, cloud computing. So in second unit, what is cloud computing? What is the origin and influences of cloud computing? So before existing of cloud computing, what type of models will be available and when cloud computing is started and how it is developed and what type of characteristics it is having and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages and what type of cloud service models will be available and what type of deployment models are available in nowadays, and everything will be learned in second unit. Coming to third unit, cloud enabling technologies. Okay, till now we'll learn about what type of virtualization will be available, what type of cloud computing will be available, what type of service models will be available, what type of deployment models will be available, we saw, but in third unit, so how it is working. Okay, if we see the architectures of these things, means we will understand easily. Because of that reason, here in third unit we learn some architectures that is completely related to virtualization technology and what is the role of web technology and what is the role of multidisciplinary technology and how it is related to cloud technologies, how they are interpreted to each other. So like this, everything will be learned in this unit. So coming to fourth unit and security. So yes, till now we learn about cloud computing and everything, but how they are providing security. Okay, so virtualization process will be available and service models will be available, what type of deployment models will be available. Yes, we learn in second unit, but coming to fourth unit, how they are providing security to these services, we will learn in fourth unit. Okay, it's maybe related to data, it may be related to network, it may be related to security, whatever it is, but how we are providing security in cloud computing, that is very important. Mostly in cloud computing, data centers plays a very important role. Okay, but in disaster management, how data centers are replacing their data, how they are managing their data without losing anything, how they are maintaining and how they are providing security to each and every model, that will be learned in fourth unit. So coming to fifth unit, it is completely related to models. So what type of companies are there and what type of technologies they are providing and how federation will be deploying here. So what is the role of federation here, and each and every organization is collaborating with some other companies and they are federating model. So how they are providing, which type of models, which type of services they are providing. So many companies will be available and what type of services they are providing. Like this, we will learn everything in fifth unit. It is completely related to case studies. So real-time environment, what is the difference between on-premises and what is the difference, how it will differs to cloud technologies. Okay, if we understand all these things, means we can easily understand the cloud computing technologies easily. Okay, so here these are the objectives of cloud computing. Yes, after completion of this course, the students are able to learn what is virtualization process, what is the key elements of cloud computing, and what type of service models will be available, and what type of deployment models are available, what is federation, and what is mobile devices, what is the security issues, how they are providing securities, and which type of companies are providing which type of service models, and everything will be students able to learn from this course. So coming to textbooks, we are providing 3 types of textbooks to learn everything about cloud computing. The first textbook is completely related to cloud concepts and technologies and architectures. So the first textbook is Cloud Computing and Concepts, Technologies and Architectures. It is completely related to cloud computing concepts. So yes, if we are going through these textbooks means we are able to understand about the service models, deployment models, and what type of technologies are available in cloud computing, and what type of architectures are there. Like this, we will understand everything from textbook 1. And coming to second one, it is completely related to virtualization process, and the book name is Cloud Computing Virtualization Specialist Complete Certification Kit Study Guidebook. And yes, here in virtualization also we are having different types of techniques, how hypervisor we are using, and which type of companies is providing virtualization process. Yes, nowadays we are having so many companies and so many technologies will be available to create the virtualization process. But before going to that, first we need to understand what is virtualization, how we need to create like that. Okay, so if we are going through these textbooks means how we can understand easily how virtual machines will be created in cloud computing. So yes, coming to third textbook, it is completely related to security. So yes, with the help of cloud computing, we are storing everything in cloud. Okay, but how they are providing security to our data. Okay, so yes, already we discussed in data centers, and data centers plays a very important role in cloud computing. So how they are providing security, how they are maintaining long time, and everything will be learned in using of this textbook. So coming to introduction point of view, what is cloud computing? So cloud computing is nothing but with the help of network. With the help of network, cloud providers are providing services to users here. So it may be what type of services is not important, but so many services are nowadays available. Okay, so here network is nothing but internet. Okay, for example, every day we are using Google services, and Gmail is one of Google services. Okay, so in Google, Gmail is providing 15 GB of memory. Okay, if it is exceeded, okay, already we reached 15 GB means it will display one message. Okay, yes, you already reached the limit. If you want to increase your data means you have to buy the storage. Like this, it will provide a message and it will display a message. If we are paying money, okay, if we are paying money means instantly it will increase our storage. That means on demand. On demand, it is providing services to us. Okay, here Gmail is a cloud provider. For example, I am telling you, here the Gmail is cloud provider. Here we are users. Here we are utilizing the services of Gmail. That means Google services we are using. Okay, my data storage is already exceeded. So what I am doing here, I am just paying the money to increase my storage. Yes, because I need to use Gmail services in future also. That's why I am paying money to increase my storage. Okay, that's why on demand they are providing service to me. It is completely based upon pay as you go. How much you want, they will provide the services, but it may be a hour basis, it may be a days basis, it may be a month basis. Okay, but it is completely based upon pay as you go model. If you want service means you have to pay the money, and on demand they will provide the services. Okay, here the services may be utilized in laptops, it may be in phones, it may be a desktop, it may be a tablet, whatever it is. Here the services is like that. It may be a data, it may be a servers, it may be a storage devices, it may be software related technologies, whatever. It may be related to infrastructure, it may be related to platform services, whatever it is. But on demand, it is providing service to users in pay as you go model. Okay, if internet is available there means we can easily connect with the network, and we are utilizing services. Here the network plays a very important role in cloud computing. Okay, if network is not available means we can't able to use that services. If network is available means we can simply utilize services easily, and we can store the data as well as. Okay, so in next lectures we will discuss about all unit wise concepts and cloud computing technologies and everything. Thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.